I am in my student management screen, and you can see, in addition to the lesson history table and the learning plan, which have always been there, so this is what it normally looks like, right? When you go to your student screen, I've got a review and assessments tab here. So I can click on this, and this is going to bring up all the assessments. Now, this is going to show every assessment that there is, and you can see that there's an assessment for every single unit. So in the beginning, it's every 3 lessons, and then it comes to every 4 lessons. So I can see that I've what's assigned and what's not. And just like homework, I can click on this little icon to preview the assignment. So I can preview the assignment, and I can see here that I'm looking at the assignment. So here's one of the really great things about it. Unlike the homework assignments, these are completely automatically graded. So your student is going to get a score, and that score is going to be out of 50. So by default, there's 5 sections, 10 points per section, 1 point per question, and you actually you do have the opportunity to go in and give your student like half or partial credit or something like that. And just like homework, you still have the opportunity to leave your student personalized feedback. But all the grading will be done for you. So for those teachers who are looking for more regular ways to measure student progress other than simply assigning the placement test again, which is long, and how many times, or you have to kind of wonder, how many times am I going to assign it? Am I going to assign it every month or whatever? This is a very great way to just check in with your student every so often. Once you complete a certain number of units, then they have the review and assessment.